Welcome back to the POW-Mister channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to power 3 POW-SPH-6KW all-in-one solar inverter in a single-phase setup. First, mount the inverter securely on the wall. Make sure the mounting surface is solid and stable. For this demo, we are using OSB board, so no expansion screws are used. However, in real installations, always use expansion screws on solid surface like concrete. Leave at least 20 cm of space between each inverter and 50 cm above and below to ensure proper nature cooling during operation. Next, remove the cover plates of the terminal ports on each inverter by unscrewing the 6 screws. Then connect the batteries to all 3 inverters. Connect the positive and negative battery terminals of each unit to the corresponding positive and negative bus bars. Finally, connect the main positive and negative cables from the battery bank to these bus bars. Now power the AC output ports of the 3 inverters. Pay attention to the main output ports L1N and the second output port L2N. Both output circuits share the same N terminal. The combined output cables can be connected from the last inverter in the chain. Here we have only connected the main output circuit. Please refer to the wiring diagram to complete the full AC output connection. Next, power the AC input ports of all 3 inverters. Again, make sure to distinguish between live and neutral wires. The grid input can be connected from the last inverter in the setup. Next, connect 2 separate PV arrays to each inverter. Be careful not to connect the same PV arrays to multiple inverters or multiple MPPT ports. Then use the communication cables from the accessory pack to establish power communication between the inverters. After that, connect the CT sensor. Remember, the CT must be installed on the live wire, with the arrow pointing toward the grid. Finally, proceed with the power setup. 2 important points to note. Number 1, during setup, only keep the target inverter powered on, or others must be off. Number 2, complete the settings after the inverter starts up but before it enters AC output mode. If it has already started outputting, turn it off and perform the setup during the brief standby window before it shuts down completely. So, how do we set it up? Enter the settings menu, go to work mode, change the power mode to power low, and save the setting. Once the last inverter is configured, there's no need to turn it off. Just power on the other inverters in the power system one by one. And that's it. You've successfully set up a single-phase power system with the POW-SPH-6KW all-in-one solar inverter. We hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.